Good morning, dear children. Today we will start our lesson number 7, The Land of Snow. In this chapter, we will study about an island that is completely white and its name is Greenland. So let us have the introduction of it. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean, that is in the northern hemisphere. Around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. So at the top near the North Pole is Arctic Ocean and towards the south is the Antarctica continent. Greenland. It is situated near the North Pole. Greenland is the world's largest island. This country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. That means throughout the year it is covered with snow and ice. The original inhabitants of Greenland are the Inuits. Inhabitants are the people who from the starting are living at that place are known as inhabitants. And the people who from the starting are living in Greenland, they are known as Inuits. These Inuits call Greenland as Kalalit Nunaat. They have given their country the name Kalalit Nunaat. That means it is the land of people. Now let us see the location. Now in the globe here you can see the red part. The part is the dark red part is the Greenland. It is situated near the North Pole. It is located towards the northeast of North America. So in the northeastern side of North America, this Greenland is situated. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Greenland comes under the Kingdom of Denmark. Denmark is a country. Most of the part of Greenland lies towards the north of the Arctic Circle. So in the previous chapters we have seen what is Arctic Circle and where is it. So most of the part of Greenland lies towards the north of Arctic Circle. Now let us talk about the land of this Greenland. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. This is the total area of Greenland. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. That means 80% of the total land is completely white and is covered under snow and ice. The average thickness of ice sheet is about 1500 meters. So if you go to Greenland and if you measure the thickness of the ice, it is 1500 meters of covering of layer of ice is there. The lower layers of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. So it is believed that since the last ice age was there, till from that age this sheet of snow is covering. Now let us talk about icebergs. Now, huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. These blocks of ice look like huge frozen mountains which are floating in the sea. These are often not visible due to the thick fog. These icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. Climate. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. Arctic means very cold. The winters here are long and cold, and the sun does not rise for several weeks. And sometimes the temperature drops below the freezing point. That means below 0 degree temperature is there, and many a times it snows heavily here. Extreme cold and chilly winds blow here because the temperature is Arctic. Summer is short and cool. So summer, if summer season comes here in Greenland, it is short. It does not uh, prevails for a very long time, and it is cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. Even though there is continuous sunlight for several weeks, it is still very cold. So in coastal areas, only in coastal areas the weather is bright and sunny. Otherwise, in the whole of the Greenland, it is cold throughout the year. Now vegetation. Vegetation means what kind of plants, trees, bushes grow here. So see, in Greenland, seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season, and very few seeds germinate in Greenland. Plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. So these mosses and lichen picture I have shown you here, and these are the small algae type of plants which used to grow because the sun does not rise here. And grasses and bushes, all of you know that. Some flowers bloom in spring. Both spring and summer are very short in Greenland, and there are no forest in the Greenland. There is no forest in the Greenland. Why? Because forest needs sunlight and there is no sunlight in Greenland. And also no crops can grow here because of the extreme cold climate. Now let us talk about the wildlife of the region. Wildlife are the animals found here. The animals that have thick furry coats or those which can tolerate extreme cold can survive in Greenland. Only the animals which have furry coats, very thick furry coats, only they can live in Greenland, or the animals which are made to live in cold areas, so they only can survive in Greenland because it is very cold here. Animals found in Greenland are, some animals are here, given here. They are musk ox, seal, whale, white-tailed eagle and polar bear. The pictures I have shared with you. Some of the pictures are there in your book also, so you can see them. Huskies are wolf-like dogs which are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. Sledges are the kind of a transport used there in Greenland. So huskies are the dogs which are used there to pull those sledges. Hope you have understood the video. Thank you for watching it.